Good morning. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Kimberly Ann, also known as It's Kim Tish. It's officially 2025. It's January, and every single time the new year rolls around, I write down my intentions, and every single time I look at the top of the list, it always says, start YouTube. Be more consistent in YouTube, make more YouTube videos. And so here we are trying to make that happen. I think when it comes to short form content like Reels, YouTube Shorts, TikTok, I have it so down. Like I can do it in my sleep. But when it comes to long form content, which I enjoy consuming a ton of, I don't know what it is, but I just freeze up and I say I'm gonna do it and I don't do it. And so I figured, why not be more consistent making long form content? Because I think it's the best way to truly connect with you guys, and I want to hang out with you guys more. So if you follow me on Instagram and on TikTok, then you know I consider myself a serial hobbyist. I do probably like 8 to 10 different crafts, and I also like to host dinner parties as well as make floral arrangements. And on top of that, I am a full-time content creator, so I thought it would be so much fun to bring you guys along and so you can see what my day-to-day looks like. Something that I added into my intentions list this 2025 is to get ready every single day. Whether I do my makeup and just add a little bit of lip gloss or do my hair, no matter what, I have to change into something every single day, because when you work from home, sometimes you can wake up and just wear your PJs till like 4, 5 in the afternoon. And I've done that multiple times, and it just doesn't make me feel that good. So I notice that whenever I do get ready for the day, it just always makes me feel good, makes me feel more productive. I don't know what the psychology behind getting ready is, but there's something about it that just makes me feel so good. So it's something that I'm gonna try to implement this 2025. Speaking of things that I want to implement, this is something that I started in 2024 that I want to bring into 2025, and that is junk journaling. So the best way I can describe junk journaling is, if scrapbooking and journaling had a baby, it would be this. You can collect all the fun little stickers, papers, receipts from your day, something like this, like tickets from your day, and then you add it on to your notebook, add a little blurb, journal as much or as little as you want to. Really, you can do so much with this. If I bake, I like to add in recipes like this so I can remake it for later. If I get PR, I sometimes cut out all of the PR that I get for my unboxings and place it on a page. If I hang out with my friends, I print out a little page and write a little blurb about it. There's so many different spreads that you can do, so it's been so much fun. Something that I really enjoy about it is I feel like it really keeps me present and grounded, because I notice all of the little things that I typically would just ignore and take for granted. I think the reason why I have so many hobbies is because I work off of my phone a lot, and I want more moments to get off of it. It's either I'm working or I'm doom scrolling to hopefully get inspired for what my next video is going to be like. And sometimes I just want to get off of this and just be in my own head and enjoy my own company. And I think that's why it's so important to have hobbies. To further ring in the new year, I am getting a haircut from my friend Avi. We're here in Huntington Beach and we're about to head to her salon right now. I'm dealing with a lot of hair loss right now because of my PCOS medication. Every single time it's the new year, I just want to get something new. So today that's going to be my hair. And I think I'm gonna do a lot of very long layers, but I'm definitely gonna cut my bangs a little bit on the longer side right now because I just wanted to frame my face a little bit more, but I am gonna talk to the expert.
Like a coffee or something like pastry, you can like curtainy like style. Do you have a round brush at home?
I do.
Okay, good.
I do.
That's essential to the bangs because otherwise you'll just sizzle them with a straightener.
And I feel like it's so heavy right now.
Yeah.
In terms of layers, I'm gonna leave that one up to you of what you think is gonna be best.
You could start like your shortest layer here.
Okay.
And then everything else will follow with that, and it will still, the way that I like to do layers and like how most of those haircuts are is they're kind of disconnected. So where your longest layer will be, you will still have length.
I trust you.
Okay.
I'm just here. I'm just like, you know what? I'm just gonna let you do your thing.
Okay.
This place is so cool. Okay, I really love this haircut. Well, she did long layers, so we still kind of kept some of my length. We cut maybe like 2-3 inches off, but it's so nice because my hair feels healthier. And then we did shorter bangs, like shorter curtain bangs. I really like it. It's funny because when we left the salon, I heard my girl's coworker be like, "That guy's reading ACOTAR." Show them what you're reading.
ACOTAR.
I really love going to AV because she gives me all the hair tips. I think when it comes to skincare, I got it down. I know all the ingredients my skin needs. But when it comes to my hair, I know nothing about hair care. So she really explains like all the do's and don'ts. And I feel so much more confident going home and being able to take care of my hair properly. But yeah, this is my hair and I really like it. So after my haircut, I did a few things on the computer for work today. I don't have a lot to do. I had to send out a few emails and hop on 3 calls, which wasn't a lot. So right now I'm working on my 2025 vision board and Matthew is preparing dinner for us. He makes the best steak, you guys. He likes to baste the steak with rosemary and it is so good. It's currently 11 o'clock and we're making a sweet treat. Matt and I did a mini reset and cleaned up our space today. We saw that we had...
Dude, you can't even script this. Hold on.
No, you can't. What the just happened?
You put it on the burner that you had on, so it melted through the plastic, and henceforth.
Okay, I'm gonna save it. Okay, anyways.
Oh no.
We're gonna have some
Bruh.
Rice Krispies.
Matt and I just reset and cleaned our space today.
We're probably gonna have a little bit of microplastics. It is what it is.
No, we're gonna take care of that. I can definitely believe it.
Dude, my arms are so sore because I took Pilates this morning and it's tired. Nice butt.
Yum. Fire. Worth.
Seeing my vision board makes me so happy. I've been sitting here for like 2-3 minutes just staring at it. I think when it comes to vision boards, it doesn't really matter like how aesthetic it looks. What matters is the vibe you get when you look at it. And for me, it's just making me really excited for the new year and everything that's to come. So I am currently reading Quicksilver on my Kindle, and I have to show you my setup really quick. So I have this little Kindle stand. It has like a little gooseneck and everything. So what's great is I don't have to hold the Kindle or even turn the page because this little thing right here, it's a sensor that connects to this remote, and what's great is I can just flip the page without having to touch it. It's really nice because I don't have to exert too much energy to turn the page, which then makes me even sleepier. So it's actually really great because I have a hard time falling asleep at night. I saw this setup from someone on TikTok and honestly, it does not disappoint.
Wait, go back. Why is this where Edward took Bella?
It's true. Oh my god, it's Isle Esme.
Perfect.
It's like you're in the night court.
Thanks, babe.